Today we have a recipe for prawns and asparagus stir fry. It's a simple, tasty dish for you to enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. For the first step, boil some water and soak your asparagus for 3 to 5 minutes or longer. Then strain your asparagus and set aside. You can add some mushrooms of any kind. Here we have cloud ear mushrooms. You soak these cloud ear mushrooms for at least 1 hour or overnight. The secret to a good stir fry is to preheat your wok or pan to medium-high to high heat. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, such as peanut oil. Add your aromatics, such as chopped ginger, garlic, and onions. So give that a quick stir fry. Now it's time to add your prawns. So give your prawns a good sear and then give it a quick stir fry for about 30 to 45 seconds. Add a touch of salt if you like. Now it's time to take off your prawns and set aside. Add another 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now it's time to add the asparagus. Give the asparagus a quick stir fry. Now it's time to add the cloud ear mushrooms, or whatever mushrooms you have. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of regular light soy sauce. When I have it, I like to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. Now I'm going to add my favorite sauce. So there's 1 to 2 tablespoons of Chinese oyster sauce. Now it's time to add back the prawns and do a final stir fry. There you have it, a simple stir fry with prawns and asparagus with cloud ear mushrooms. Enjoy.